Hi, today we are going to study sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression. Okay? Now say that that's arithmetic progression. First term is A and common difference is D. Now you can write the first few terms. Clear? First term A, second term is what? A plus B, third term is what? A plus 2D, fourth term is what? A plus 3D. Likewise you can write the terms. So the n term is what? A plus n minus 1 d. This is the n term. Clear? A plus n minus 1 d. This is T n. This is the first term T1. So if you want to find, if you add all these terms and if you want to find the sum of these terms up to n term, that is we call Sn. That means if you add A, then second term A plus B, then the third term A plus 2D, then the fourth term A plus 3D. Likewise, if you add up to the nth term, that means A plus n minus 1D. What is the answer? That answer we can get from a formula. That formula equals Sn equal n over 2 bracket 2A plus n minus 1d. This is the formula. Clear? From this formula, you can find the sum of n terms. First n terms. So here Sn means sum of n terms. N means number of terms. A means the first term. Here D means the common difference. Clear? Right. Now I write this formula here. Sn equal n over 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1d. So this formula you can memorize like this way. Okay? You do few questions from using this formula. Then automatically you can memorize this formula. That's the best way to memorize this formula. Now say that there is arithmetic progression 4, 7, 10, 13, 16 likewise. Clear? There's a question. Find the sum of first 11 terms. Clear? Then there's find the sum of first 11 terms. If you write the 11 till the 11 terms, all the terms, and if you add, you'll get the answer, but you won't get the marks. So therefore, to find the sum of first 11 terms, you have used this formula. Clear? Then what is the first term? First term A equal 4. Common difference is what? How to get the common difference? If you take two consecutive terms from the right hand side number, if you subtract the left hand side number, you will get the common difference. Then 7 minus 4. So common difference is what? 3. Clear? Then, so find the sum of first 11 terms. That means n equal 11. They ask S11 is what? Sum of first 11 terms. So I write the formula. Sum of n terms Sn equal n over 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1d. Okay. Then we write n equal 11. Then S11 equal 11 over 2. 2 into a. A equal what? 4. 4 plus here n is 11. 11 minus 1. D equal what? D equal 3. Then S11 equal 11 over 2. 2 into 4 is what? 8 plus 11 minus 1 is 10. 10 into 3. That means S11 equal 11 over 2. Here 8 plus 30. That means S11 equal 11 over 2 into 38. Now 2 and 30 you can cancel 19. Then S11 equal 11 into 19. Okay? 11 times 19. So 19 and 11 you can multiply. 1 into 9, 9, 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 9, 9, 1 into 1, 1. So if you add it, 9, 209. So S11 equal 209. That means sum of 11 terms is 209. That means if you write up to the 11 terms here and add one by one, that means 4 plus 7, 7 plus 10, 10 plus 13, 13 plus 16. Next term is what? 19. Then 22, 25, 28, then what? 31. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3, 6, 9, 10. Another 3, 34. If you add all these terms, okay, 4, 7, 10, 13, 16, 19, 22, 25, 28, 31, 34, you get the 209. So, but we are not going to add these terms and find the answer. We use the formula and find the answer. Okay, in this way, you can find in sum of any number of terms. Okay, so this is the first question. I think you can understand this. It's a very easy question. Likewise, if you do few questions, you can get the good idea about this section. Right? Now we'll do another question. Okay? Now we'll do another question. On the arithmetic progression like this. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 is an AP, that means arithmetic progression. They say find the sum of first 21 terms. Clear? This is the second question. Then what? Progression is given 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 is an AP. So therefore A equal what? A equal 10. D equal what? Second term minus first term. 15 minus 10. D equal what? 5. They are find the sum of 21 terms. That means N equal 21. They ask S21 is 1. Then you write sum of n terms or the formula Sn equal n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. Clear? Then you substitute n equal 21. S21 equal 21 over 2, 2a, 2 times a equal what? 10 plus 21, n equal 21 minus 1, d equal what? D equal 5. Now you have to simplify this. S21 equal 21 over 2. 2 into 10 is what? 20. Plus 21 minus 1 is what? 20. 20 into 5. That means S21 equal 21 over 2 bracket. Here 20. Here 20 into 5 is what? 100. So S21 equal 21 over 2 into 120. So 2 and 120 can cancel. 2 1 2 60. So S21 equal 21 into 60. That means 0 6 12. That means S21 equal 1260. That means sum of first 21 terms of this progression is 1260. So if you write one by one each term, clear, up to 21 terms, 21st term, you will get the sum, and if you add those terms, you will get the sum 1260. Clear? Right. Now we'll do another one more question. Okay. Third question. In an AP, first three terms are Say that 10, 7, 4. Okay. They ask find the sum of first 8 terms. Okay. Then what? Here terms are what? 10, 7, 4. But they say it is a arithmetic progression. In an AP. AP means what? Arithmetic progression. So A equal what? 10. D equal what? Second term minus first term. Remember that. Huh? If you take two consecutive terms, first two terms, second term minus first term. Or right hand side number, you have to subtract the left hand side number. 7 minus 10, or you can take 4 minus 7. So common difference equal what? 7 minus 10. So D equal minus 3. So the common difference equal minus 3. Then find the sum of first 8 terms. That means what? N equal 8. They ask S8 is what? S8 is what? That is what they are asking. Clear? Then what? Sum of n terms, you can write the formula Sn equal n over 2 2a plus n minus 1d. Clear? Then S8 equal 8 over 2 2 into a equal what? 10 plus n equal 8, 8 minus 1, d equal what? Minus 3. Here d equal minus value. So S8 equal 8 divided by 2 is what? 4. 2 into 10 is what? 20 plus 8 minus 1 is 7 into minus 3. Clear? So S8 equal 4. Here 20. Here plus 7 into minus 3 means what? Minus 21. So S8 equal 4 into minus 1. So S8 equal minus 4. That means sum of 8 terms is minus 4. Because here it is reducing. Next term is what? Next term is, now common difference is minus 3, no? That means 10 minus 7 is 3. Common difference is, so 7 minus 10 is minus 3. So therefore, so if you add minus 3 to this one, that means 10 minus 3 is 7. 4, 7. If you add minus 3, 7 minus 3 is 4. 4 minus 3 is what? 1. Next one is what? 1 minus 3 is what? Minus 2. Likewise, it is reducing. So therefore, sum of 8 terms equal minus 4. Clear? Right. Now we'll do another one more question. Fourth question we'll do it. Now, in an AP, first three terms are, say that 15, 12, 9. Clear? Thus, find the sum of first, say that 11 terms. Then what? Here, progression is this. A equal what? 15. D equal what? Second term minus first term. 12 minus 15. D equal minus 3. They ask find the sum of 11 terms. That means n equal 11. They ask S11 is 1. So sum of n terms, we know the formula. Sn equal n over 2 2a plus n minus 1d. So you substitute n equal 11. S11 equal 11 over 2 2 into a equal 15 plus 11 minus 1, d equal what? D equal minus 3. So then S11 equal 11 over 2. Here 2 into 15 is what? 30. Here plus 10, 11 minus 1 is 10 into minus 3. Clear? So S11 equal what here? 11 over 2 into, we can put a bracket, 30 minus 1, again 30. That means S11 equal 11 over 2 into 0, 30 minus, that means S11 equals 0. So sum of 11 term is 0. How it happens? We'll write it. So we got S11 equals 0. That means if you add all the 11 terms from the first term, answer is 0. We'll check that. Next term is what? 15 minus 3 is 12, 12 minus 3 is 9, 9 minus 3 is what? 6, then 6 minus 3 is what? 3, 3 minus 3 is 0, then what? 0 minus 3, then minus 6, minus 9. Likewise it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10, 15, 20. Clear? These are the first 11 terms. Clear? So this answer is what? Basic is S11 is 0. That means you add all these terms, it is 0. Now you can see that here. Here from this, these values are minus. The same value here you have plus. So this value and this value is same. This is minus, this is plus. So that will cancel. Finally, this also 0. That means total equal to 0. Otherwise, one by one you can add. Otherwise, you can say 15 and minus 15 will get cancelled. 12 and minus 12 get cancelled. 9 and minus 6, 9 cancelled. 6 and minus 6 cancelled. 3 and minus 3 cancelled. Then 0 is the answer. That means sum of 11 term is what? 0. Clear? So these are very good questions. So you can try this question again and again and practice this. Then you can be familiar of this kind of questions. Then find some new questions and do it. Clear? If you do 10-15 questions, you will be familiar about this formula and at the same time this type of questions. Clear? Thank you very much.